Ethan Vaz from Goa scored 9 points and won 70,000 rupees.
Second in the national under 17. I was hoping to come first, but okay, second is not a bad result. And I got selected to represent India at the World and Asian events, so I'm very happy about the result.
Ethan has performed consistently over the years at nationals and international tournaments. He's actually the reigning under-19 chess champion also, and we were hoping that he'll win a gold in under-17 also. But we are happy with the silver. It's not that just because he has won the championship in one category, it's easy to win the other one, because competition is huge, especially at this level. And the good thing is Ethan remained undefeated throughout the tournament. He had a couple of extra draws, so to say, because of which he could not, come clear first or achieve the gold medal. But at this level, assuming that he was, considering that he was the top seed, maintaining his rating and performing at this level is commendable. So we are very happy about it. And with this performance, he gets to represent India. He gets selected to represent India for the World Youth and Asian Youth Chess Championships. And since he had won the National Under-19 Chess Championship, he is also selected for the World Juniors and Asian Juniors. So he has a special distinction of having been selected to represent the country at the World Youth as well as the World Juniors in the same year. So we are absolutely thrilled. This is his 10th national medal, and he has been performing consistently over the years, like under 11, under 12, under 15. Now this is under 17, and he's already won the under 19. So we couldn't be happier. We are extremely thrilled and proud of what Ethan has achieved over the years. The government side, outside of the policy, there's been no support so far. There are SAG cash awards which are given out for medal winners, and we have applied for those awards. In fact, a couple of years back, when Govind Gaudesar was the sports minister, he dispersed some of the awards. So we are very grateful to SAG for dispersing the cash awards through the policy. If Goa government could do something special to support Ethan, considering that he has been such a consistent performer. He has won 27 medals for the country, and this is the 10th national medal for the state. So considering a performance at that level, if the Goa government could do something special to support Ethan, we would be really grateful. So that's all we can say. But as far as support financially is concerned, we are very grateful to Ethan's sponsors, especially Gino, who has been supporting Ethan for the last so many years. Chessbase India, who has been very, very supportive, and they are actually taking care of Ethan's coaching expenses. We are also grateful to Chola Chess Academy. It's a fully sponsored chess academy which Ethan has been lucky to be a part of. And most of all, we are very grateful to Ethan's school, the King School, and the management of the King School, Madam Lija Pereira and Melvin sir. Without which it wouldn't have been possible for Ethan to go and represent all these tournaments in the first place. So we are extremely grateful. Also grateful to Ethan's coaches, GCA, AICF, and it's difficult to list down the names of everyone, but there have been so many people who have supported us along this journey of about 8 years, and all these achievements from Ethan's side wouldn't have been possible without each and everyone's support. So we are really grateful and thankful to each and everyone who has supported Ethan along the way.
सेक्रेटरी गोवा चेस असोसिएशन एक म्हणजे आमकां खूब खोशी भोगता की आतां इथन वाज इंटरनॅशनल मास्टर आनी तागेलें रेटींग आसा 2522. सो तो सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट ऑफ द अंडर 17 which is held at Gujarat from just it concluded today, 7 days tournament, and the prize money was around 9 lakh rupees. So he got a prize money of 90,000 rupees cash prize plus the trophy, and he will be going to represent India for the tournament, under 17 tournament. आणि आमचे आता खूप मेडलां येतात सो गव्हर्मेंटानूय आमकां खूब सपोर्ट केला अंडर प्रमोद सावंत आणि प्लस स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर तवडकर एज वेल एज अदर मिनिस्टर्स लायक दिगंबर कामत आणि बाकीचे सगळे मिनिस्टर्स आमकां सपोर्ट करतात आणि आमकां दिसता की आनिकूय चड आणि अजय गावडे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ गोवाचो डायरेक्टर तोय बी खूब सपोर्ट करता आणि आमी लास्ट इयर वी हॅड गोवा ग्रँडमास्टर टुर्नामेंट इन जानेवारी लास्ट इयर आणि आता मागीर ताजे नंतर आमी वर्ल्ड कप कंडक्ट केलो विथ द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा सपोर्ट सो आनिकूय टुर्नामेंट्स आमी करतले आणि ह्या वर्सा आमकां 2 मेडलां आयल्यात अंडर 7 नॅशनल चॅम्पियन इवान तेलीस जाल्लो आणि आता हे अंडर 17 हो चॅम्पियन आसा सो विथ दीस गोवा चॅस इज लुकींग अप एंड आय एम शुअर दॅट वी वील बी डुईंग मेनी मोर टुर्नामेंट्स आणि भुरग्यांक ट्रेनींग ऑल्सो आमचें खूब चालू आसा प्रत्येक तालुकांनी सो विथ दीस फ्यू वर्ड्स आय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट इतानवाज हिज पेरंट्स एंड कोचीस फॉर दीस वंडरफूल सक्सेस.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.